When we go out, I take him out.
This couple, they lie too much.
I can scatter the whole reunion. I don't mind.
Anyway, idiot.
That is, I will figure your throat today.
What? Guys, I think this season is going to be loud. Like, what? Did you see what was coming out? Who is Cassie actually calling idiot? Because I got confused. Cassie just gave me work. She gave me work to start scrutinizing. Who will she be definitely calling idiots? Could it be Onyeka? Because, she made mention of saying that the couple lie too much. And then Victoria saying that Sean likes big ass. So many things are happening. Guys, did you see the drama? Did you see things that are happening? Who is with me in this one? Because more guys, we're going to enjoy this season. Like, they were giving us the drama we actually asked for. At this point, I cannot wait. Starting from the way Chinny dragged that her boyfriend down to who else? Okay, I think they were asked a switch question about Nelly, and then Nelly also, trying to have this conversation with Chinwe because of the stolen necklace stuff, and then again one of the Ozurumba twins saying that he can scatter the reunion and nothing will happen. I know I'm not the only person that likes this, because I'm sure you guys are ready. Are you ready, guys? Because I am ready to hear the gist. I am ready to offer you guys the gist. Are you ready to be with me in this YouTube so that we're going to dissect and, understand? Sorry, I know a lot is happening in our country, but guys, this drama actually drew my attention, and I was like, oh, I'm going to tell my family, see what is happening in the street of media. So, from Sunday or Monday, it's going to be airing, and then we'll come to be, giving you commentaries about what we've seen so far. But this little one where they don't show us, drama is about to happen. And no wonder they've been tweeting those things lately. So this was what lingers all those things. And I hope at the end of the day, reunion, some will make this and some will not. Because I even heard that the two, what's that their name again? Those cousins, they had issue. They don't even talk to themselves. To the point that she told Chinwe that she would feel Let me mind my word, because that thing made me like, what? First time of me hearing that word. Like, the two Ndine. Yes, guys, just ensure that you stay glued to my channel, and then let's just dissect it together. I just decided to, come and show you guys a glimpse of what is about to happen, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.